Question number 3. Let's comprehend what is given. Let O be the center of the circle where R is greater than root 5 upon 2. So a circle with its equation is given and its center is 0, 0 and radius is greater than root 5 upon 2. Suppose PQ is a chord of this circle and the equation of the line passing through P and Q is this. So equation of a chord PQ is given. If the center of the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ, O is the center, P and Q are the endpoints of the chord, lies on this line. So the center of the circumcircle of the triangle lies on the given line, equation given. What is asked? The value of R, radius of this circle. Let's analyze. So I recall slope of two lines are parallel. The distance of a point from a line, perpendicular distance formula, 11th NCERT. Distance between two parallel lines. The important thing is coefficient of x and y of two lines should be same. So we have this result, NCERT. And the general equation of the circle is this. Center is this, radius is this. NCERT results. Equation of circle with center at origin and radius R is this. All basic results. I also recall equation of circle with points this and this, x1, y1 and x2, y2 as endpoints of diameter is this. NCERT result. Equation of the circle passing through the point of intersection of one circle and another line and a line. S equal to 0 is the equation of circle. Equation of line is L equal to 0, then S plus lambda L equal to 0, where lambda is an arbitrary constant. All basic result. And the equation of common tangent at common points to circle, S1 equal to 0 and S2 equal to 0 is S1 minus S2 equal to 0. So we have all these basic results. Now I recognize the chord PQ, slope is half, and the line x plus 2y equal to 4, slope is half, on which the center of the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ lies. So they are parallel, slope are same. So picture will be something like this. So circle x square plus y square is equal to R square. And this line, I've plotted this, 2x plus 4y equal to 5, the point P and point Q. And this line, now if you check, y-intercept for this is 5 by 2, and for this is 4. So this is here, right? So we draw the picture. So we have the location of that. Now, one method could be, I can find equation of circle passing through point of intersection of circle, is equation of intersection of line PQ and circle, both equations are given. That would give coordinates of center of this circle in terms of R and lambda. S plus lambda L equal to 0, S is in terms of R. Now, a center of this circle lies on this line. So I can find the center and I put in this equation, I'll get one relation between R and lambda. Now, as this circle also passes through origin, so point O, origin will satisfy the equation of this circle to give me another relation between R and lambda. So two unknown and two equation shall get me value of R. That is one possible method. Now if again I look at this picture, so O origin se pass ho raha hai circle, the circle, required circle, is passing through the origin O. Center is, if I take center HK and I take end point of this diameter, the coordinate will be 2h, 2k. So I have assumed the coordinate of the center h, k, and I get the other point of the diameter passing through origin. Now, OA of the diameter OA of the circumcircle of the triangle, I take the point this and the point A I got. So point C lies on this line to give me one relation between H and K. Now I can get equation of circumcircle S1 equal to 0 in terms of H and K. As PQ is common chord of these two circles, so I can get equation of it by S1 minus S2 equal to 0. So I have another relation. Now as equation of chord PQ is given, I compare two equations of PQ to get two more relation between H, K and R. So I have three relations between three unknowns. We know how to solve that. So in last method, there were two unknowns. In this method, there are three unknowns. So which is the better method? Where unknowns are less. Also, circle, straight line, triangles, we have studied a lot of geometry. So always we should look for the geometry. Now if you look at the geometry, I recognize I can find OC, which is equal to PC, radius of the circle, and AC. OC कैसे निकालेंगे? Equation of line is given, point is given, so I can find OC. AC, distance between the two parallel lines. Now from triangle OPA, is a right angle triangle. R square is equal to OA square plus AP square. From triangle CPA, PC square is equal to AC square plus AP square. So we get R square from these two equations is equal to OA square plus PC square minus AC square, which is OA square plus OC square minus AC square. I can find all three values. So which is the best method? Using the geometry. So I execute now, calculate. R square is equal to this. So perpendicular distance, I get the value of OA, value of OC, AC distance between them. So when we are using, I told you, coefficients of X and Y should be same. Use the parallel distance distance between the two parallel lines. We have all the results, just put the values there. Simple calculation. I get R square is equal to 4. So R is equal to 2. All basic results, basic simple results, simple geometry, straight simple approach. I got my answer. It is 2. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.